Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. Hey, my people. See, Progress the Analyst. I am here to give you all the latest updates. Hey, a lot is happening right now. Hey, Edo people, they don't do jungle justice for Fulani Herdsmen. In fact, they done about 16 of them today. Waiting happen. You know, I upload a video whereby some communities, they don't pack come up from their houses, run out because of this Fulani Herdsmen. In fact, they are not the ones in charge in Edo State. Time without number, they go cry, say their mama when they go farm, see what Fulani Herdsmen they do them. They buy, they take their money, they do a lot of things, they don't cry. In fact, they've called on the governor time without number. You need to watch this video to the end because you are going to see a lot of things that the Edo people they are passing through in the hands of the Fulani Herdsmen. So just today, they could discover some Fulani Herdsmen inside long truck with AK, you understand what I'm trying to say, with the tie. And these people, they did take it lightly. They bring all of them down and they go through jungle justice. You know what I mean? In fact, they put that for their body, called light on for inside their body. All of them buy. Now, the Fulanis that are in Edo State, hey, they protest. In fact, it's just like they are the owner of that state. They protest, and all along when Edo people were calling on their governor to come and act, nobody talk about it. But today, all of them don't come out where they say Edo people don't do jungle justice for this Fulani Herdsmen. Now everybody can come out. Meanwhile, some people are saying that what the Edo State people did is very wrong. But anyways, I just want you to listen to clip and watch videos of everything that has happened from the beginning. You're gonna say some of the Edo people don't tell whether they cry this cry. Anyway, let's go through the videos and I'll be right back.
Avoid the proof away come outside. The energy. Don't block everyone. Energy para. Wait, come. Anybody go back. They block Uromi Road because Onoje is among the kidnappers. They block everywhere. Onoje because the youth are very angry now because Onoje go back. Yeah, go back. Anyway.
You, they'll beat you.
But so they must come. Onoje must come out. Where go? He must come out. Wait till Bungbe. Not too much. They are blocking Uromi because it's too much. Onoje is the ones. The kidnapper reported Onoje that Onoje is among the people. So, boy, the youth are angry. They're blocked from the palace.
Hello, good morning, everybody. We are live at Abo and Bini Road. Unfortunately, the roads are blocked and the women are complaining that Fulani Herdsmen has been terrorizing them in this area. That their land, they no longer farm in their land. And in the night, their people are being killed. So, as you can hear what they are chanting, that Fulani must go. Let me see your placard. So right now they are complaining that they've taken over their land. They can't farm. They can't do anything on their farmland because of the way Fulani Herdsmen are terrorizing and killing their people. So they decided to come out and block the road this morning. As you can see, everywhere is blocked. What is going on, madam? What is going on? Can I hear you? Yes. Okay.
They carry their car inside the farm, so we will push their cassava and give to
okay. Okay.
Kidnapping.
They kidnap your people also. As you can see, my people. Okay. 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 So what are you telling the government now? What are you telling government to do for you? Okay. Thank you very much.
Now women they plant garri, now they root the garri they give me.
Okay.
We know
Okay.
And with the village.
Okay.
With the hungry, let them go. Kidnapper must go.
Let me see your black as well.
Kidnapper must go. Let them go. Fulani 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 must go. Let them go.
As you can see, the roads are blocked, terribly blocked. No going out, no coming in. In Amo / Bini Expressway. In fact, this is Edo State. This is Edo State anyway.
They are there now in Edo State to begin to unleash jihad and attack them and kill them. And some people think that it is propaganda. Some people think that we are just talking. Some people believe us. I don't need to be sharing videos of after my video. After I made a video telling Edo people that Fulani has invented Edo State. And I even mentioned the forest where they have their armory. After making that video, you can see what is going on in Edo State today. Since that time I made that video, on daily basis, you are recording Fulani attack in Edo State. People that have to make sure you form security outfit to defend your land, to defend your women, to defend your children. If you are waiting for government to come to your rescue, they will never come. This one, the military just came to repel them, and before they came, the youth already repelled them. That is the point. And I see some of you carry cutlass. The Fulani herdsmen is not the people you carry cutlass. They have machine guns. Are you going to find somebody who have machine gun with cutlass? So it is time you people begin to form a formidable security outfit to defend your land. Don't wait for government. They will not do that for you. And this thing you see that the military, they came. It's just a camouflage. It is just to deceive people that when you call them, they come. They never come before, but now they are coming because you invited them. And you never see them when these Fulani were there. They came when the youth have already repelled them. But how you repel them with cutlass is what I don't know. But when they will come back again, they will come with machine gun. And by that time, if you try to repel them with cutlass, they will kill you all. So it is time you begin to form your security outfit to protect your.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, as I will keep updating you up for the latest happening. You see, now that 16 is done, Knøçk among the Fulani herdsmen. What is your take? Thank you so much and bye for now.